Hi everyone, my name is Greta Shkodra and I was a research assistant with ECCEL for 2 semesters, and for my capstone project I decided to make sensory kits for Kaleidoscope, and these sensory kits are to support children's fine motor development, sensory processing, and emotional regulation. Each sensory kit includes a variety of materials such as the natural Play-Doh, the tools for the Play-Doh, the wooden tools, the wooden animals, scoops for the rice, and the funnel. Children can use the materials in the sensory kit in many different ways, such as scooping the material, putting the material in the funnel, stacking the animals, playing with the animals through imaginary play like feeding or cooking, hiding the animals, sorting the animals, putting rice in the containers and transporting the rice from one container through the other, playing with the natural Play-Doh with the tools. These actions help build fine motor skills like hand strength and coordination, while also supporting sensory exploration and emotional regulation. And I believe that sensory kits are essential in the classroom because they do support motor development, problem-solving skills, self-regulation and calming, and also gives children a chance to engage in independent and creative play, also helps reducing their anxiety. I recommend using these sensory kits during small group activities, transition periods, centers, during free play, and when a child is in emotional distress. The rice used in the kit is non-toxic and food safe, but it still should not be eaten because it is supposed to be used for sensory play only, and adult supervision is recommended during use. After play, materials can be stored back in the container for future use. I hope these sensory kits are a helpful and engaging resource for your classroom.